Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate the startup folder on your Windows 10 computer. So if you want to see a list of all the programs that start up with your Windows operating system, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to locate that. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Run, so R-U-N, best match should come back a Run, go ahead and left click on that. Now we're going to have a couple different commands in the description of the video. The first one's going to be for the list of programs that start with Windows starts for every user who uses the computer, and the second one will be for the ones that start with the current user logged in to the computer. So slight difference, but the ones include both in the description nonetheless. So we're going to paste the first one in here for common startups among all users and then select OK. And you can see I don't currently have any program start up with my computer starts up. In most cases that will be different, but I've already disabled a lot of them through msconfig, and you can see I don't actually have any in here, so it's kind of funny. But if I didn't have them already disabled upon startup, they would be listed in here, and these are programs, not services. Just want to differentiate between the two, so it's not that surprising that you don't have any applications in here if you're pretty diligent about cleaning out unused applications. So close it there. And then you could also run the second one if you just want to see the ones that are currently starting with the current user. It won't be any different in my case, but in your case might be slightly different if you have multiple users on your computer. And you select OK. Again, you'll see another listing in here. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.